Hey, magical mamas and superhero dads! Welcome back to Milestone Magic Baby Steps, where every wiggle, giggle, and milestone is a moment worth celebrating. Is your little one trying so hard to roll over, but just not getting there yet? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm sharing 12 playful, proven, and heartwarming ways to help your baby build the strength and coordination they need to roll naturally and joyfully. No pressure, no pushing, just fun, connection, and love. Let's jump into the 12 magical steps to help your baby roll over. Engaging the baby in play can also naturally encourage the development of rolling skills. 1. Try placing toys just out of your little one's reach. This simple tactic can spark their curiosity and encourage them to stretch, shift their weight, and even roll over in pursuit of that coveted toy. 2. Engaging in joyful interactions like beaming smiles and enthusiastic cheers when your baby attempts to roll over can create a wonderful atmosphere of encouragement. This positive reinforcement not only boosts their confidence, but also inspires them to keep pushing their boundaries and trying new things. 3. Giving your baby plenty of floor time is a fantastic way to help them develop the muscle strength and body awareness they need for rolling over. Let them explore different positions on their back, belly, and sides to unlock their natural curiosity and encourage movement. This playful time on the floor is not just fun. It's essential for their growth. 4. Incorporating a variety of textured flooring can be a fantastic way to encourage your baby to engage their back and core muscles as they practice rolling. Different surfaces invite exploration and stimulate movement, making playtime both fun and beneficial for their development. 5. Try wiggling a colorful toy just out of reach to the side of a baby while they're lying on their back or tummy. This playful trick can spark their curiosity, encouraging them to turn their head and maybe even roll over to grab it. 6. Cuddling the baby and gently positioning them on their side can make those first wobbly attempts at rolling over feel a whole lot easier and more fun. 7. Engaging with your baby can be a delightful adventure. Use their favorite toys, colorful rattles, or even a shiny mirror to capture their attention and encourage them to turn their head. This simple act can be the first step towards rolling over, turning playtime into a fun milestone. 8. Snuggling up next to your little one and playfully encouraging them to mimic your movements can turn rolling practice into a delightful game. It's a fun way to bond while helping them develop those essential skills. 9. Encourage your little one's exploration with some delightful exercises. Try gently lifting and crossing one of your baby's legs over the other while they're lying on their back. It's a fun way to promote movement. You can also offer gentle assistance at their shoulders or hips, helping them to roll and discover new positions. It's a wonderful way to bond and support their growth. 10. Imagine gently cradling your baby on a large, soft ball, allowing them to feel secure and supported as you rock them back and forth. This delightful motion not only soothes but also helps them experience the sensation of rolling in a fun and playful way. 11th. Encouraging your little one to kick around while lying on their back can be a fun way to help them build strong core and leg muscles. These playful kicks are not only entertaining, but also essential for developing the strength they need to roll over. So let the kicking games begin. It's a great step toward their next milestone. 12th. Encouraging swimming actions with the arms and legs during tummy time can be a fun and effective way to boost core strength. Adding in some playful strategies with toys makes the experience even more engaging, helping little ones develop the skills they need to roll over with ease. Let's make tummy time an exciting adventure for both you and your baby.